Hello everyone! Today we are going to look at future tenses, future continuous, future perfect and future perfect continuous. By the end of this lesson, you will have a clearer idea on how to formulate these three future forms and how to use them. Let's start with future continuous. To formulate the future continuous tense, you just need will or won't plus be plus the ing form. For example, I will be studying. Future continuous has two usages. The first one is an action in progress at a specific time in the future, the equivalent of present and past continuous tenses. They are flying to Tokyo at this moment, present continuous. They were flying to Tokyo at this time yesterday, past continuous. They will be flying to Tokyo at this time tomorrow, future continuous. The second usage of future continuous is, occasionally, as an alternative to going to for a future plan or be doing for a future arrangement. We say, will you be using the car this evening for a future plan? Or, I will be having dinner with you this evening for a future arrangement. Now let's move on our next tenses, which are future perfect simple and future perfect continuous. To formulate the future perfect simple tense, you need will or want plus have plus the past participle of the verb. Future perfect simple refers to an action that will be finished by a certain time in the future. We often use the preposition by with the future perfect simple. For example, the film will have finished by midnight. The film won't have finished by midnight. Will the film have finished by midnight?
Now let's move on future perfect continuous tense. To formulate the future perfect continuous tense, you need will, would, have been, the ing form of the verb. This tense indicates an action that will have started, will have continued for some times and will still be in progress in the future. We often use the preposition by with the future perfect continuous. Let's look at some examples. We'll have been waiting here for 3 hours by 6 o'clock. I would have been waiting here for 3 hours by 6 o'clock. Will I have been waiting here for 3 hours by 6 o'clock? Will have.
Let's look at some common mistakes. The most common mistake is using the future simple instead of future continuous or future perfect continuous. Let's look at some examples. I will drive to work this time tomorrow, action taking place at a specific time in the future. So not will drive, but future continuous. I will be driving to work this time tomorrow. Let's look at the next example. We will attend a conference next week. A future arrangement, not future simple, but future continuous. We will be attending a conference next week. Let's look at another example. He will pack his bag tomorrow morning because he will leave for Italy tomorrow afternoon. The first form is a future plan, so not future simple but future continuous. He will be packing his bag tomorrow morning because he will leave for Italy tomorrow afternoon. Will leave is a future arrangement, so once again, not simple but continuous. So, he will be leaving for Italy. Another example. The show will end by 7 p.m. Action completed before specific time in the future. So, not future simple but future perfect. The show will have ended by 7 p.m. If you don't understand, check out our quiz. You can find it in the link below. Thank you for watching. Bye.
Bye!